Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 home decor essentials that every home needs. I think there's a bit of a formula to creating a designer looking space, and if you have these 10 items, you can make your home look more stylish and more functional. So if you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And I want to give a huge thank you to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. If you have all your basic furniture in your home and now you want to start bringing your space together with style and color and texture and decor, a good place to start is actually with vessels and vases. I use them on pretty much every single surface of my home because they're so versatile and they add a ton of scale, height, texture, and color. So it's a huge design influence in my home and it really adds a sculptural element to your space. You can put florals in them and style them as like a centerpiece and add a lot of height that way, or you can leave it as is because it's so sculptural and adds this gorgeous design factor on its own. So I'm always looking for vessels with interesting elements. This one has this aged antique factor to it. It's also a very interesting color that adds this contrast to any space. So you can thrift these, you can find them brand new and really implement your color palette and your design style into your home with a simple vessel or vase. My vessels and vases have actually really influenced my color palettes of my home, and I've actually chosen paint colors based off of vases. I love the one behind me here because it really ties together browns, blues, greens, warm tones all in one. I styled it on top of a pedestal just to give it some height and give it its own moment, almost museum-like, and then style some foliage inside to give it that live organic look. So if you're looking for a piece of decor that's just gonna work almost anywhere, it's a vessel or vase and it's going to give you that designer look instantly. Now, a must-have decor piece that you need for every single room of your home that's gonna add style and functionality is a good lamp. You need floor lamps and table lamps in every room of your home to emphasize your design style, but also add that functionality and coziness of light. Your home will look and feel completely different if you add lamps. The style of your lamp will really speak volumes to the overall style of your home. So in a space like this where I wanted to make it feel a little bit more traditional, we're going with this tapered lampshade and a very traditional sculptural base. This is actually a thrifted lamp, so they don't need to be expensive. And I swapped out the existing lampshade for a new one here. So lampshades can always influence the style of your lamp, whether you go with like a drum barrel shape or you go with a tapered lampshade. You could even go a bit more traditional and a little bit more contemporary with a pleated lampshade. I always recommend having at least 3 lamps in every single space to give you that balanced full look. So if you're looking around at your home right now and you are lacking lamps, it's definitely time to add some more. I have thrifted lamps. They don't need to be expensive. You can find them for under $10 or you can buy them brand new. I actually found the cutest lamps on Walmart. I was on the Walmart app the other day and spotted the cutest lamps. I actually might get them right now so we can style them together. So thank you so much again to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. Walmart now offers as soon as same day delivery. So we can get the lamps very soon within a few hours and style them together. I might actually order a few more things so we can style them all together, but Walmart is like a hidden gem. They have the best affordable decor for your home to really get that designer look. If I'm inspired to change my home, I really like to do it the same day. So this has been an incredible feature on Walmart. Wow, my Walmart delivery just got here. This is so exciting. There's so many good things. I think this is our lamp. I love it. It's sculptural. It's kind of antique looking, yet very modern and contemporary. So if you're looking for a designer looking lamp on a budget, this is definitely it. Wow, this is the Better Homes and Gardens decorative bowl. This is the most perfect looking bowl. Perfect for like an entryway, put your keys in. This is a nice vessel. This is actually a planter, but it's stunning just like as a decorative piece. I love the texture. This is the larger size, I think the 8-inch. And then I also got the smaller size. They look like they're from an antique store. Within the same section, I actually found these saucer plates. These are for planters, but Doesn't this just look like the cutest tray for your soap pumps, anything by your sink? It just looks like the perfect gathering tray. I also found the cutest throw pillow. I love that this texture is really sewn in and kind of 3D. These are perfect for incorporating with plaid and stripes and really bringing in that organic touch into any space. Okay, I also had to get this Better Homes and Garden toilet paper reserve. How perfect is this? It hides all of your toilet paper, adds a decorative touch, adds some warmth and this woven texture into any bathroom. This is exactly what every bathroom needs. I also found this incredible mirror. Look how ornate it is, and the gold finish on it is actually perfect. The gold finish on a lot of mirrors like this are kind of hit and miss. This one's good. It has that depth in there. There's a lot of variation, so it looks very weathered and beautiful. It actually looks super high end. Walmart has been like my best kept secret for finding affordable, beautiful runners. I have found almost all of them on Walmart. This has this built-in pad underneath that really grips the floor so it's not shifting around, which is perfect for runners. So you can find all of these pieces on Walmart. I'll have them all linked down below in the description box, but if you want to decorate your home and do it quickly, conveniently, and on a budget, definitely shop on Walmart. They have so many incredible finds, and you can get that as soon as same-day delivery on some of your favorite items. Now, another item that always comes in different sizes and shapes and variations that's gonna add a lot of style and functionality to your home is decorative storage. Decorative storage can be so many different things. It can be faux books that hide your paperwork away. It can be baskets. It can be canisters. It could be decorative boxes. There are so many decorative ways of hiding all of the visual clutter away to make it look decorative. So if you have paperwork on your countertops, if you have keys and little things laying around your home, remotes, anything that you don't really think adds to the overall aesthetic of your home, you can hide it away in an accessible place in your home and style it as decor. Decorative storage is especially helpful in those high traffic areas of your home. A decorative storage piece is really gonna be that two-in-one decor piece that's gonna do more for your home. Now, rugs and runners are really that key design element that you need in every single space. They're that decor piece that adds coziness, texture, and warmth, but it also adds style. It ties together color palettes of your home, it sets the tone of the space, and it makes every room really come together and make sense. A lot of spaces that lack rugs or runners feel like they're kind of floating and they don't feel brought together from the floor up. So once you add that key element in, it really helps tie everything together. For those rooms that you're thinking you don't need a rug, maybe a bathroom, a laundry room, a hallway, a kitchen, that is where you implement a runner. A runner helps expand the look of your room. It adds coziness and warmth, but it also is being that decor piece from the floor up that helps tie together the color palette. So I use that cute runner in my bathroom to really anchor the vanity, add some color and texture, but also lengthen the space. It really helps tie it all together when you have that decor element starting on the floor. Now, wall decor can be quite tricky. It's something I actually like to spend a bit more time on and not rush into when it comes to finding art for my home. But something that you can get up on your wall quickly that's gonna add scale and really finish off the look of your home is a good wall mirror. Wall mirrors are that foolproof way of decorating the walls of your home, and it helps bounce light, it helps add scale, it really helps emphasize the room as a whole. So wall mirrors are that go-to decor piece that every home needs. Wall mirrors can look very modern, they can look very vintage, they can look ornate. The frames of your wall mirror always really add to the look of your home and emphasize your design style even more. Wall mirrors are usually a lot more affordable than finding the perfect piece of art. So if you're really struggling there, go with a wall mirror to finish off your space and take time into finding the right art for your home. Now, a small furniture item that I think is kind of like a decor piece but also adds extreme functionality to any room is a good ottoman stool. Small ottoman stools add flexible seating to every single space. They also add comfort to a room when you're styling lounge chairs and you want to be able to put your feet up, but they also add this decorative accent piece of furniture, almost like a smaller version of an accent chair. There's so many ways of using them, and I think they're that key piece that can really make your space feel and look designer. I just used an ottoman in my home office to add that secondary seating by my desk. It allows a guest to sit down, but it also allows me to move this piece around the room to create some extra comfort. So think about an ottoman stool being your accent piece to your space. It's not your main piece of furniture, but it's that decorative piece that you add in to create another layer and create some more functionality to every single space. Now, if you want to create that life in your space, you have to use some stems and florals. It really helps create this organic, sprawling, lively look to every single space. So always bring in some type of greenery, some type of floral or live element in every single space to bring it to life. It really makes a huge difference. You're gonna bring in those greens, those natural tones that make your space feel so much more comfortable. A key element to getting that designer look is finding those sprawling stems that really create this architectural moment instead of a small little piece that doesn't grab a ton of attention. The beauty of it is that you can go right outside, chop a few branches off your trees, and create this decorative element in your home. And if all else fails, I'm always somebody that uses some artificial plants to keep that look lasting longer so that you can really enjoy that foliage all year round. All right, so that's it for today's decorating. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you a better idea on which specific pieces you should purchase for your home to better style it and add that functionality. If you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. If you missed our recent makeover, we just transformed our sunroom. You guys have to check out that DIY makeover. It is such a transformation. We also finished my home office, so definitely check that out as well. I'll leave all of our new home room makeovers down below in the description box so you guys can check them out as well. If you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!